Good evening, student. How are you? I hope you all are well and stay home. So, student, now we take our next and new topic, decimals. So, in NCERT, fractions and decimals in one chapter, but fraction and decimal in both different topic. So, we start today our second topic, decimal. So, first, what is decimal? So decimal are fractions whose denominator are 10, 100, 1000 etc. Means it is also fraction form in whose denominators have 10, 100, 1000 means zeros form number. So we can write 2 upon 10 is 0.2. So it is fraction form and 0.2 is a decimal form. So next is 6 upon 100. 6 upon 100 is a fraction form and 0.06 is a decimal form, and again 0.007 is a decimal form of 7 upon 1000. So student, first decimal places. So this is the decimal number and what is decimal places. So after decimal, so number of digit is called decimal places. So here is 1 digit, so it is 1 decimal place. Here is 2 digit, so 2 decimal place. Here is 1 to 3 digit after decimal, so decimal places is 3. So student, this is the decimals and decimal places. Now the types of decimal. So like decimals and unlike decimal. So like decimals fractions having same number of decimal places are known as like decimal. Means after decimal, then the digit are same in every given decimals. like decimals क्या होती हैं? किसी भी ग्रुप में कोई भी डेसिमल्स ग्रुप गिवन हो और उसमें आफ्टर डेसिमल सेम डिजिट हो, सेम मतलब एक से नहीं, सेम नंबर ऑफ डिजिट. सपोज हियर 17 and 25 are different, but after decimal 1 2, here is 2 digit, here is also 2 digit, here is also 2 digit. So same number of places, same number of decimal place. So these type of decimals are called like decimals. Now unlike decimals. So the opposite of the like decimal fractions having different number of decimal places are known as unlike decimal. This is 12.5, 13.72 and 18.564. So student, look here, after decimal here 1 place, here 2 and 3. So all are different. So these types of fractions are called unlike fractions. Thank you, student. Good evening, student. How are you? I hope you all are well and safe. So student, our next topic is comparison of decimal. Means we have to compare between 2 or more than decimal number. So how will we compare the decimal number? So which is greater? They are given 2 decimal number, 15.4 or 15.36. After decimal we read separate digit, not a mix. Suppose 15.36, it is right, 15.36 is wrong. So 15.36 and 15.4. So we have to compare which number is greater. So first convert into like decimal. So these are 2 decimal number and here is after decimal 1 digit and here after decimal is 2 digit, and first we make the like decimal of both decimal number. So the maximum digit after decimal is 2, so we make 2 digit after decimal. So here is 4 single digit, then we add 0. There are no any change between both number. 15.4 and 15.40 both are same, no any difference in between two number. So we can write so many number of 0 after decimals. So 15.40 or 15.36. So compare first 1 digit and 10 digit, 15 and 15 both are same. Then we compare after decimal digit, means 10th. It is 10th place digit, it is 100th place digit. So we compare after decimal digit. Here is 4, and here is 3. So we know 4 is greater than 3. So 15.40 is greater than 15.36. So 15.4 is a greater decimal number. Now take another example, 59.64 or 32.465. So student, see, here is 2 digit after decimal, and here 3. So it is not equal कि this number is big because it has 3 decimal digit. First we compare the is 1's tens place digit, and here is also tens. So first we compare 10 place digit, means first digit from right. So here is 5 and here is 3. So we compare the both number 5 and 3. So after compare, 5 is greater than 3. Here is not 2, here is 3. So the whole number we don't need to compare another digit. If the tens place digit is greater, then whole number is greater than other number. So 59.64 is greater than 32.465. So next topic is decimal as fraction, means how to convert decimal number into fraction form. So 0.05 is a decimal number, then we write 5, then in numerator, then we write 1 as a 0 as a point. अब ये point टेस्ट के लिए क्या करेंगे 1, then we count after point digit, how many digit after point. So there are 2 digit, so we write 20 after 1. So it is 1s, 10s, 100, after point 10, 100, so 2 digit, so we add 20. Then after simplify we got 1 upon 20. इसको कट कर देंगे 5 से, 5 बन जा 5 and 5 20 जा 100. And next example 2.064, so we write this number without point, then we write 1 as a denominator as a as place point. तो point के लिए क्या करेंगे हम 1 को राइट कर देंगे. Then after point, so number of digit 1 2 3 digit after decimal, so we write 3 0 after 1. So this is the fraction form. Then we solve, we cut the both number if any common number. So 258 and 125 means 4. We cancel from 4 both number. So after cancellation we got 258 and 125. The next example is 2.75 is equal to. So we write the number without decimal in numerator, then we write 1 from place of point, and after decimal after point they are 2 digit, so we write 20. Then cancellation, the common number is 25. So the HCF of both number 25. अगर हमको ये पता नहीं चल सकता है, फाइंड नहीं कर सकते हैं कौन से नंबर से कट होंगे, then we have to solve the HCF of both number, then after divide by the HCF. So 275 and 100, the HCF of both number is 25. So after divide we got 11 upon 4. It's clear. The next topic is fraction and decimal. How to convert fraction into decimal. Fraction से decimal में कैसे हम fractions कैसे convert करेंगे. So 6 upon 10 is a decimal, is a fraction form, and we have to convert into decimal form. So student has 1 and after 1 10, so 10. So we insert decimal from left after 1 digit, because here है 10 only 10. यहाँ पे 10 है, तो हम यहाँ से लेफ्ट से राइट, हम राइट से लेफ्ट तरफ 10 1 पॉइंट जो है हम इंसर्ट कर देंगे. So here is 20 means 100, 8 divided by 100. So in 100 there are 20, so we insert decimal after 2 digit. So 80, here only 1 digit, so we insert 0, because we have to insert decimal after 2 digit from last. Same here, 7 whole 1 upon 4, so we can write 7 whole 1 upon 4 7 is a whole number, 1 upon 4 is a fraction form. So we write this 7 plus 1 upon 4. Then we convert 1 upon 4 into 4 is, denominator is to 0 form. So we multiply by 25 to make 0 number form, मीन्स 110,000, क्योंकि हम इजीली कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं डेसिमल में. सो वी मल्टीप्लाई बाय 25 into 1 and 4 into numerator and denominator also. So 1 multiply 25 upon 4 multiply 25. So after multiply we got 7 plus 1 multiply 25 is 25, 4 multiply 25 is 100. So then we can easily change into decimal place. So here is 20, then we insert decimal after 20 from the end. So 25 0.25. So after add we got 7.25 is a decimal form of this number. 7 whole 1 upon 4 is equal to 7.25. So student, I hope you have understood the all three topics. In next video we will learn how to add and subtraction of decimal number. Thank you. So student, our next topic is addition of decimal. So we take first example 8.6 plus 15.123 and we have to add both decimal number. So we write first 8.6 and then 15.123. So student, first we convert both decimal number into like decimal. So we add 20 because here after decimal 3 digit, so and here is 1 digit. So we add 2 more 0 to make the like decimal. So here is also 3 digit after 0 after point, and here is also 3 digit after point after decimal. So now we can add easily both number. 0 plus 3 is 3 and 0 plus 2 is 2. 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 or 1 7. Then decimal plus 2 decimal. 8 plus 5 is 13. So we write 3 here, 1 place digit and 1 is carry from on next digit, 10th place digit. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So 23 plus 0.723 is the addition of both decimal number. Another example 0.33 plus 33.014. So after decimal here is 3 decimal place, 3 place, here is 2. So we will add 1 0 to make the like decimal. So we add 0. So first we write 0.330. So student, one major mistake we have to do commonly, we write from here. So first बहुत ही सिंपल सी सीरीज में कि फर्स्ट जो डेसिमल प्लेस है और डेसिमल प्लेस जो है डेसिमल प्लेस के नीचे ही आएगा. उसकी जो लेफ्ट साइड जितनी डिजिट है वो लेफ्ट साइड आएंगी एंड राइट साइड जो भी डिजिट है सब वो राइट साइड आएंगी. वो ऐसे 0.33 तो 0.330 देन 33. सो वी डोंट राइट 33 फ्रॉम हेयर, वी राइट 33 हेयर वंस एंड टेंस प्लेस, क्योंकि पॉइंट के नीचे हमेशा पॉइंट ही आएगा. वी राइट 33 देन 0.014. सो डेसिमल प्लेस इसके नीचे क्या आएगा, डेसिमल प्लेस ही आएगा. सो 014 इधर आएंगे फ्रॉम द राइट हैंड फ्रॉम डेसिमल एंड 33 इज द फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट हैंड फ्रॉम डेसिमल. सो 33.014 देन वी कैन इजिली ऐड. सो जो भी हमारी मिस्टेक होती है आफ्टर डेसिमल क्वेश्चंस में ऐड करने में वजह ही होती है बस. अगर वी अरेंज द नंबर करेक्टली देन वी कैन ऐड इजीली. सो 0 plus 4 is 4, 3 plus 1 4, 3 plus 0 3, then decimal point 0 plus 3 and 3. It is very easy to solve. Then subtraction of decimal. So 3.72 from 8.47. We subtract this number from this, from it say यानी we write 8.47 फर्स्ट. हमें क्या है इसमें से 8.47 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है 3.72 को, ठीक है ना। तो फर्स्ट वी राइट 8.47 देन 3.72. So we write easily because after one place decimal place, so easily we can write. So 7 minus 2 is 5, then 4 minus 7 is not possible, so we take carry 1. We take carry from 8 into 4. So here is 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. Here is left is 7 because from here we take out the carry. यहाँ से कैरी ली थी तो यहाँ पे क्या बचे 7. So 7 minus 3 is 4. So 4.75 is a subtraction, is the answer. So next is 6.354 from 10. So हमें करना है 10 में से इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है 6.354 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है 10 में से. So here no any decimal digit but here 3 decimal digit. So we write first 10 and put the decimal and write 30 to make the like fraction, and we write 6.354. पॉइंट के नीचे पॉइंट ही आएगा डेसिमल नीचे, ठीक है ना. सो 0 minus 4 not possible, so we take carry. So here is no any digit, so we take carry from 10. So here is 9, here is 10, again we take carry from here, so here left is 9. देखो देखिए सिंपल है, यहाँ पे 10 होगा, 10 से हमने यहाँ पर अगेन कैरी ली तो यहाँ 9 लेफ्ट होगा. देन यहाँ पर अगेन 10 हो गया, 10 से हमने अगेन यहाँ पर कैरी ले ली तो यहाँ पर क्या होगा 9 लेफ्ट हो गया, यहाँ पर 10 बचेंगे. तो 10 minus 4 is 6, यहाँ पे क्या 9 लेफ्ट 9 बचे थे, देखो यहाँ से हमने कैरी यहाँ पर भी ले ली थी. तो 9 minus 5 is 4, अगेन यहाँ भी क्या 9 is left, so 9 minus 3 is 6. यहाँ पर क्या होगा ऑल्सो 9. तो 10 है, 10 में से हमने यहाँ पर 1 कैरी ली तो 9 is left, so 9 minus 6 is 3. So 3.646 is the answer. So student, I hope you understood to solve the addition and subtraction. Student, our next topic is multiplication of decimals. So first we by 10, 100 and 1000 multiply of any other number. So how we multiply the decimal number by 10, by 100, by 1000, and by the other number, the whole number, and by the other decimal number. So in this video we will learn all types of multiply of decimal number. So first by 10, 100 and 1000. So how to multiply by 10 of any decimal number. So first 7.24 multiply 10. So friends, student, here is 1. So if in conditions is only 1 and the zeros form number, so we shift the decimal point into from left side, from left to right. So here is 10, so we shifted the point from the right decimal place. So here is 10, so we shift the after one digit. So 7.24 multiply 10, so we insert the point after 2, so 72.4. and next is 7.24 multiply 100, here is 20, so we shift the point after 2 digit, 7.24 and multiply 100, so 724.0. So after decimal we can't read 0, so 724 is our answer. Next is 7.24 multiply with 1000, so here is 30 in 1000, so we shift the point after 3 digit, but here is 2 digit, not 3 digit. यहाँ पे ओनली कितनी है 2 डिजिट है, 3 डिजिट नहीं है, बट जो हमें पॉइंट शिफ्ट करना है वो आफ्टर 3 डिजिट करना है. सो वी ऐड 1 0. सो आंसर 7.25 मल्टीप्लाई 1000 इज 7240, 7240. Now another example is 127.354 multiply 100. So here is 20 and 100. So we shift the decimal after 2 digit. So after 2 digits after 35. So answer is 12735.4. So 12,735.4. So this is the method to find the multiply by 10, 100 and 1000. Now another multiplications of decimal by a whole number. Here is the 10, 100, 0, 1000 form, 0 form, but here is the whole number. So 4.25 multiply 12. So student, first we ignore the decimal. First multiply without decimal point. हम क्या करेंगे इसमें, इसको भूल जाएंगे कि यहाँ पे कोई डेसिमल है. हम डायरेक्टली we can multiply directly the without decimal number easily. So we multiply the same without multiply. 425 multiply 12. ठीक है ना. सबसे पहले में क्या है कि पॉइंट को डेसिमल को नहीं लेना है, बिना डेसिमल के बिना पॉइंट के ही मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So 425 multiply 12. After multiply we got 5100, 5100. So put the decimal point after 2 digit because here decimal is after 2 digit. अब क्या 2 digit के बाद decimal है. So we insert decimal point after 2 digit also. So after 2 digit 00 point. So 4.25 multiply 12 is equal to 51 is answer. We ignore the 0 after decimal. अगर 0 decimal के बाद में 0 होती हैं then उनको ignore कर देते हैं, राइट नहीं करते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ अ डेसिमल बाय अ डेसिमल. यहाँ पर क्या था, 0 की फॉर्म में थी, इधर सेकंड स्टेप में बाय द होल नंबर. बट हियर वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई डेसिमल डिजिट बाय द डेसिमल डिजिट. अब ये दोनों जो नंबर है वो डेसिमल में, बोथ नंबर आए इन डेसिमल. सो अगेन वी सॉल्व फ्रॉम दिस मेथड. फर्स्ट वी मल्टीप्लाई विदाउट द डेसिमल पॉइंट. सो वी कैन easily solve any multiply without decimal. हम कितना भी बड़े से बड़ा मल्टीप्लाई हो बिना डेसिमल के आराम से इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. सो फर्स्ट वी इग्नोर द डेसिमल एंड राइट द बोथ नंबर विदाउट डेसिमल. सो 6248 6248 मल्टीप्लाई 5959. देन वी मल्टीप्लाई बाई होल नंबर ऑफ 9. सो 9 8 are 72. Then we can solve the multiply by 9 and in second step by 5. Then add the both number. So 2 plus 0 2, 3 plus 0 3, 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 5 plus 1 is 6, 3 3. So this is the answer after multiply of both number. Then but our question in decimal, then we have to find the answer also in decimal. So first count the decimals. 62.48 5.9. So here is 2 decimal place and here is 1 decimal place. So 2 plus 1, so total decimal place is 3. Then we put the decimal after 3 digit because in first number there are 2 decimal place, in second number is 1 decimal place. So we add both decimal place. 2 plus 1 is 3. So we put the decimal after 3 digit. So 368.632 is our final answer of the both decimal multiplication. So I hope you understood the multiply of whole type of multiply, simple multiply and whole number multiply and by the decimal number of multiply. Thank you student. So student, our next topic is division of decimal. So how to divide by decimal number. So division by decimal 10, 100 and 1000 same as multiplication. जैसे हमने लास्ट वीडियो में मल्टीप्लाई किए थे, सेम हियर we divide by any decimal number, divide by 10, 100 and 1000. So we take some examples to understand. So first we write 23.5 divided by 10. So we write 23.5 235 upon 10. So we remove the point, remove the decimal here and write 235 upon 10 because point place is 1 and after 1 digit, after point is 1 digit, so we write 10. So This is the fraction form of this number. Then multiply. We convert decimal into multiply and reciprocal of 10, 1 by 10. We know how to change this form to this form. In our previous video, we have learned these all types of change, all types of convert. So then we multiply the denominator. 235 upon 10 multiplied 10 is equal to 100. Then we can easily convert fraction form into decimal form, because here is 20, so we put the decimal after 2 digit, so 2.35. So student, first compare this number and the answer 23.5 and here is 2.35. So in previous video, we in multiply of decimal by 10, 100 and 1000, we shift the point from right. We shift the point to the right place. But here in divide, just opposite, we shift the decimal to the left. So if in multiply we shift the decimal to the right place, but in divide, in division, we shift the decimal to the left place. So we divide by 10 and 10 have only 1 0, so we shift the decimal after to left 1 digit, so 2.35. Now take another example, 23.5 divided by 100. So again we can write directly also. There no, we know कि after divide 10, 100 and 1000, we shifted 0 to the left place. So we don't need to write this form. We don't convert all this. We write directly this form to this form. Okay. So in second example, again we convert decimal form to the into fraction form. 235.10. Again we convert the divide sign to multiply, and reciprocal of 100 is 1 upon 100. So 100 multiplied 10 is 1000. Here is 3 digit. So we insert, we put the decimal after 3 digit from the right. So from the left to right, right to left. So 1 to 3 digit. So 0.235. And look here, we shift the decimal to the left 2 digit. So we put decimal before 2. So 0.235. Okay. Now the same is another example. Divide by 1000. Again we write the fraction form. Again divide by 1000. So multiply by 1 upon 1000. Reciprocal of 1000. Then multiply of the denominator. Then 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is 40. So we will put decimal after 4 digit. But here is 3 digit. So we will write 0. क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे 0 राइट करेंगे 0.0235 because here is 1 digit is less. We have to insert decimal after 4 digit, but here is 3 digit, so we write 0. Okay, so 0.0235. So compare this number 1230. So we shift 0 to the left after 3 digit, but here is 2 digit, so we write 0 here. Then we can insert decimal. You can put decimal 0.0235. Now the another division of a decimal number by a whole number. Again, so we have to divide by 12 to the 62.64. So student, we can find the divide non-decimal number easily, but here decimal. So it is the same pattern of simple division. So 62.64 divided by 12. So first we divide into non-zero, non-decimal number. 62 is. So 12 5 is 60. Then after subtraction we got 2. But after 2 we note down the next digit. But before digit is decimal. So we write decimal here point. So we write the 6. Note down the 6. So 26. So 12 2 are 24. Again subtraction 2. Then note down the 4. And 12 2 are 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. So our answer is 5.22. So it is no difficult to solve. It is very easy and same the simple division. So the last topic of decimal, division of a decimal number by another decimal number. जैसे कि लास्ट प्रीवियस वीडियो में हमने मल्टीप्लाई किया था, सेम है डिवीजन. सो फर्स्ट वी रिमूव द डेसिमल फ्रॉम द डिविजर, क्योंकि डिविजर होता है दिस इज डिवाइडेड एंड दिस इज डिविजर. वी डोंट वेरी वेल बट वी हैव टू डिवाइड. अगर इसमें से हम डेसिमल को रिमूव नहीं करेंगे देन वी कांट डिवाइड. सो फर्स्ट वी रिमूव द डेसिमल. 76.5 अपॉन 0.15. सो डिनोमिनेटर में से हमें से क्या करना है, डेसिमल को रिमूव करना है. सो हियर इज 2 डिजिट. सो देन वी मल्टीप्लाई बाई 100. अगर हम इसमें 100 का मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं देन डेसिमल क्या हो जाएगा, रिमूव हो जाएगा यहाँ से. सो we multiply by 100 in numerator and denominator both. We can't multiply in a single place. हम या फिर खाली डिनोमिनेटर में केवल मल्टीप्लाई नहीं कर सकते हैं. We have to multiply in numerator and denominator both. So 76.5 multiply 100, 0.15 multiply 100. So there are no any change into their questions. So क्वेश्चन में कोई चेंज नहीं होगा बिकॉज 100 से 100 कैंसिल आउट हो जाएंगे तो 1 बचेगा. सो वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई इन बोथ न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर. सो आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाई हियर इज 7650 बिकॉज हियर आफ्टर डेसिमल ओनली 1 डिजिट बट वी मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 0 100. सो वी राइट 1 0 एंड 0.15. सो इट इज 15. सो यहाँ से क्या है 15 डेसिमल रिमूव हो चुका है. देन वी कैन डिवाइड इजीली. 15 5 are 75. After subtraction only 1. Then next digit is 5. 15 1 are 15. After subtraction 0. But here is 1 0 more. यहाँ पे एक other digit और है 0. So there is no any digit to solve. So we write 0 also. So 76.5 divided by 0.15 is equal to 510. I hope you all are understood the all concept of fractions and decimals. So students, we will soon come with the next topic and next chapter. Thank you.